When it comes to e-mobility, plug-in solutions promise quick installation. But do you know what the plug is hiding? Plug-in connections are potential vulnerabilities because they have additional contact points, especially with high charging currents. As they are in a charging infrastructure, plug connections cause additional resistance, voltage losses, and safety risks. The flat cable system from Woertz, on the other hand, reduces the number of contact points to the absolute minimum and thus ensures reliable and energy-efficient contacting. Thanks to the flat cable system, the installation of e-mobility infrastructures is not only quick and easy, but also safer and more reliable. Junction boxes are also available pre-assembled with 2 outgoing cables. This allows you to supply 2 charging stations at once. The installation is 4 times faster than the classic method with round cable and more than twice as fast as any pluggable solution with flat cable. When it comes to e-mobility, don't just stay plugged in, ensure an optimal current flow. Learn more about how we can help you build an affordable, reliable, and efficient e-mobility infrastructure. Woertz.